I'm Susan. I had this old fan that didn't work anymore. I used the blades in a previous project, but in this project I'm going to use the metal cage part. I'm going to glue it to this candle holder that I had painted black and then just dry brushed white in a previous project. And I just glue it with hot glue and E6000 and just let it sit overnight. The next day, I painted the bottom totally white, and then I dry brushed the cage part with the Waverly chalk paint in white. After the paint dried, I just went over it with some sandpaper, trying to make that black part pop on the bottom where I had the undercoat in the very beginning. And this is how it turned out. I think it made a cute little fruit bowl. It looks very rustic and farmhouse, I feel. I really love it. Today's challenge is Flipping Friday. It's hosted by Jamie of Board or Bananas. I love her channel. She thrifts and does thrift hauls and flips some of the things that she thrifts. And this is what Flipping Friday is we flip something. And I have 5 things to flip today, 5 easy things. Her channel will be listed in the description box down below, as well as the playlist. I highly recommend you go visit it. My second project are these medallions that I picked up. They weren't very expensive. I had them in my last thrift haul, and I'll have that listed above. And it just shows what a little paint and sandpaper can do. I painted everything black in the Waverly chalk paint. I've seen Ginger Chick Rehab do this, although she doesn't use the Waverly chalk paint. And then once that dried, I came back and painted it in the Waverly chalk paint in white. After that dried, I sanded it, and it made the little details pop even more. And I really love how it turned out. And here they are. I love, love, love how they turned out. This is a bottle I had thrifted. I paid $0.25 for it, and I love the shape of it. And I painted it in the Waverly chalk paint in white. Once it was dry, using my Cricut, I made a decal saying Farm Fresh Milk, and I just added that to my bottle, and I think it turned out adorable. Isn't it cute? And it's such a simple project. If you don't have a Cricut, you can always just paint it in with a paint marker. This little sign, although I didn't thrift it, I got it at Dollar Tree. I flipped it. I gave it a couple of coats of Waverly chalk paint in white. And once it dried, I painted the little rooster on top with Waverly chalk paint and ink. I love the black and white in this. I mean, it really screams farmhouse. And once the black dried, I used my Cricut once again and made another decal. I placed my decal in the center of the little box, and I just think it turned out adorable. I love it. To add more of an enameled look, I just went over the edge with a Tombow marker and just think that just really set it off. And here it is. Isn't it cute? In my last and final project, I had thrifted 2 big jars. I showed them in my last thrift haul. And I just gave them a good cleaning. And I made these decals and just added it to the jars. I've got this little pig, and then I've got a rooster for the other one. And all the decals I used today came from the Cricut Design Space. Didn't they turn out great? I love them. I can't wait to figure out what I'm going to put in them. And here's all of my projects of today. I hope you like them. I do. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Which one was your favorite? And until next time, bye y'all.